friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we will learn how to make a bouncing smiley in PowerPoint. Now let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the PowerPoint and create a new slide. Then you can download any image which you want in your presentation. Copy that image and paste in the PowerPoint. You can see, then resize the image. To remove the background of the image, go to Format, and here is the option Color. Click on that and set the color as transparent color. Then click on the background area. OK. Then the next step is go to Animation and go to Add Animation. And here is the option Fly In. Click on that. But we want to move the emoji from up to down. For that, go to Effect Options and choose the option from top. Click on that. You can see the changes. Then go to Start with Previous. OK. Then we take the duration as 1 second. And then go to Animation pane. Click on the drop-down menu. Then go to Effect Options. And take the smooth ends as 0 second. Then click on OK. You can see. Then the next step is add the second animation. For that, go to Add Animation and choose the line. OK, you can see. Then change the effect options from bottom to up. Here. Then change the duration. Take the duration as 1 second and start with previous and delay for 1 second. Then go to Effect Options and take the smooth end to 0 seconds and click on Auto Reverse. Then OK. Then change the direction. You can see to this location. OK. Then take the third animation, go to Animation and again choose the line. Again change the effect options to up. You can see. Then start with previous and take duration as 1 second and delay for 3 seconds. Then go to Effect Options go to Smooth End and click on Auto Reverse. Then OK. Then there is the last animation, fourth. Click on Add Animation and go to Line. Again change the effect options to up and start with previous. Duration as 1 second and delay for 5 seconds. Then go to Effect Options. Check the smooth ends as 0 and click on Auto Reverse, then OK. Now change the animations. Select the third animation and increase the direction. OK. Then take this speckle and also change the animation. OK. Now animation to the first emoji is done. Then we preview that. You can see the picture is bouncing. Then copy the another pictures. Copy and paste. I take another one, copy and paste. Okay, then resize these images. And take background as transparent. Go to Format and Color as transparent. Okay, same for this one. Okay. Then for this animation, here is a option to copy the animation to the another image. Select that emoji and go to Animation. Here is the option Animation Painter. Click on that. Then click on the image which you want to animate. You can see the same animation is applied to the image. Then do the same action for third. Go to Animation and Animation Painter and click on third one. You can see now images are bouncing. Then the next step is add a background. Choose any background image and then paste in the PowerPoint. You can see set it to the slide. Okay. You can see our images are disappear. Then click on the image and send it to back. You can see the images are appear on the slide. Then set it anywhere which you want. Here. And you can also copy the images and paste to make it more effective. I'm just copying the images. Do this section for all. Okay, our animation is ready. Now we will see. Go to slideshow and from beginning. Now you can see our images are bouncing. It looks so cool. So friends, I hope you learned how to make the bouncing images in the PowerPoint. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel. Take care. And also press the bell icon. Thank you.